Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this design. You start it with the beads, just like as if you're making bead in bead, but this is the rope form of it. To start the design, I'll be using size 2 seed bead, size 2 good, then size 6 chalk bead. Then in this design, if you're using size 8 crystal bead or chalk bead, you'll be using 7 of the seed bead, but today I'm using size 6, so I'll be using 5 of this. So to start this design, I'll pick 1 seed bead, 1 crystal, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal. So I have this 3 of the small one and 3 of the big one. Then I'll drop it, then I'll tie it. I will tie it here. So after tying it, you have this. You have something like this. Then at this point, you pass your needle through this seed bead here. This one. Then I'll pick 5 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is it. 5 seed beads. Then I'll pass it. I'll skip this red one here, the crystal, and pass it through the small seed beads. I have this. I do the same thing. I'll do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'll pass through the next one. So I have this. The last one is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'll be passing through this one here, this one where I started, and I have this. I'll have something like this. So at this point, to step up, I'll pass my needle through this 3 seed bead here in front, like this. 1, 2, and 3. My needle will be coming out at the center of it, the top. So this is where my fishing line is coming out from. So at this point, I'll pick 1 seed bead, just like the base, the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you have this. So I have it like this. Then at this point, after picking this second one, then I pass my needle through the seed bead here, the first seed bead I picked. Then it will form that same base. This is to form this, something like this. Like the first one we picked. So I'll do the same thing. I'll pick 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seed bead, then I'll skip this one and pass through this one here. I have this, and I'll do another one. 1 2 3 4 5. I have my 5 seed bead here. Then I'll skip this red one here and I'll pass it through this one. And I have this shape. Then the next one I'll pick 1 2 3 4 5, and I'll pass it through this one here, the first one I picked. So now I have this, 2 of it. Then the next thing I will do is to trace my rope. I'll take my rope, I'll pass through this 1 2, I'll pass this bead. I'm going to the top to start another one. So I'm at the top now. So the same thing I did in the first one, I'll do the same thing here. Remember, I have these 2. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll pick 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is what I have here. Pick it like this, and I'll pass through this, the first seed bead I picked, the first seed bead. Pass through the first seed bead I picked, so I have the base. So at this point I'll pick 5 seed beads. 1 2 3 4 5. So I have 5 here, and I'll skip this crystal bead here. I'll pass through this seed bead in between. The same thing I've been doing. Make sure you hold it firm. 1 2 3 4 5. I have my 5 seed bead. Then I skip this one here and I pass through this small one, the size 2. So this is the same thing I will do. I'll continue like this till I get to the length I want. 3 4 5. Here's a 5. Then at this point I'll pass my needle through this one I picked, the first one. So I have it like this. So the next thing to do here after coming out here is to step up. I'll take this needle through the small ones till I get to the top, the middle of this swan here. So I'll come out, I'm coming out here now. So this is what you do. You continue like this till you get the length you want. So when you get to the length, you can attach them to the hook. So this is it, the same base you use in doing beading bead. So if you find this video interesting or helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and comment, share and like my video. See you next time. Bye.